In front of me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Start by going into settings and choosing sound and vibration over here. Now scroll down and click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. If you wish to, you can always click on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. After that, click on haptic and tones and tap on this switcher next to vibrate on touch to switch on or off this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!